इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं इस्लामाबाद के रोज़ एंड जैस्मिन गार्डन में और यहाँ पर एक जो मुनफरिद बात है, यहाँ पर बैनुल-अक़वामी सियाह मौजूद हैं। मार्कस और शैनन जर्मनी के शहरी हैं और उनका इरादा ये है कि वो अपनी गाड़ी में दुनिया घूमेंगे और जर्मनी में फ़िलहाल कम से कम 2-3 साल नहीं जाएंगे। ये जो गाड़ी आपको मेरे अक़ब में नज़र आ रही है, ये सिर्फ गाड़ी नहीं है बल्कि ये कारवां है और इसमें वो रहते भी हैं, खाते पीते हैं, सोते हैं और इसी में वो दुनिया घूमते हैं। और 15 ममालिक का सफ़र वो करके पाकिस्तान तक पहुँचे हैं और उसके बाद आगे उन्होंने इंडिया जाना है।
Hello, I'm Marcus from Germany, 33 years old, and I'm traveling the world with my camper van and my girlfriend, of course, Shannon. We both planned this trip after working some years in the profession as human resources managers on board of cruise ships in big companies in Europe, and it was always our desire and the big wish to travel the world, see the people, experience new cultures. We will definitely recommend Pakistan as a travel country. Quite an experience of a lifetime. We converted this van for 4 months and then we started in July in Germany, and since that we are now 5 months on the road, basically crossed 15 countries and got to know many cultures, many sites. We experienced very good food, especially here in Pakistan. We like spicy stuff. So everything you serve basically here, that's very yummy, from dal to biryani, we eat everything.
The past years we spent on a cruise ship working and we saved all our money, we sold everything we have, and now this is our house, our home. And we came to Pakistan and it actually changed our minds totally because we didn't really know what to expect about this country. And to be honest, in the beginning we were a bit scared because we didn't know what Pakistan would be like. But it is totally different than everything that is portrayed, or most of the things that were portrayed that we saw. And it's just been amazing. It's been a beautiful time. The people are so hospitable and we actually love it and we want to come back, and we hope that there will be more people to come and visit this beautiful country.